Olympus OMD E1 Mark III is the successor to the E1 Mark II that was first introduced in 2016. Olympus has launched its latest mirrorless camera. OMD E1 Mark III is priced at $1,799.99, body only. It is scheduled to go on sale from February 28. Olympus OMD E1 Mark III price. The price of the Olympus OMD E1 Mark III has been set at $1,799.99, roughly Rs. 128,550 for just the body. Additionally, the camera is also available for pre-orders in the US with 12-40mm lens kits that is priced at $2,499.99, roughly Rs. 178,520, and with 12-100mm lens kit, which is priced at $2,899.99, roughly Rs. 207,100. The camera is scheduled to go on sale from February 28, 2020. Olympus OMD E1 Mark III features. The Olympus OMD E1 Mark III comes in an IPX1 weather-sealed package, making it dust, splash, and freeze-proof. The camera features a 20.4 megapixel Live MOS 4/3 sensor and is powered by TruePic IX quad-core processor. There's also a 2.36 OLED electronic viewfinder and a 3.0-inch Vari-angle Touch LCD monitor. According to the company, the E1 Mark III delivers the world's best 7.5 shutter speed steps, which combined with a True Pic XI processor helps in achieving high image quality in a compact and lightweight body. The Olympus OMD E-M1 Mark III packs a total of 121-point all-cross type on-chip phase detection plus contrast detection AF and is capable of capturing up to 60 fps with AFAE lock, or up to 18 fps with AFAE continuous tracking. Olympus is also boasting about the E1 Mark III's capability of doing astrophotography. The Starry Sky AF mode found on the camera helps in taking some brilliant images of celestial bodies, and, with the built-in image stabilization system. Other key features include handheld high-res shot mode, multi-selector focus point control with the help of a joystick, live ND, neutral density filter, 4K video recording at 30,025,000 ring 124 fps along with OM log mode, Pro Capture lag-free electronic shutter mode, 400,000 shot shutter life, and more.